How to start a diesel generator manually.
How to start a diesel generator manually? What is the generator? It is a machine used to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Now I am going to explain how to start the DG set manually. Safety aspects. The diesel generator is the most critical machinery, ensuring all the air checks have been done, and wear the air muffler or earplug. Change the mode to auto to manual in the DG control panel. Before starting a generator, it's crucial to perform a series of checks to ensure safe and efficient operations. These include verifying fuel level, checking the oil level, inspecting the battery, looking for any leaks, and ensuring proper ventilation and exhaust. Push and hold the start button on the generator control panel until the generator engine starts and stabilizes.
6. Once DG started, check the readings below on the generator control panel indicators. A green light or a display showing the generator is running. B RPM should be 1500. C frequency should be 50 Hz. D voltage should be 415 plus/5. E engine temperature, oil pressure, fuel level. 7. After checking all parameters on the DG control panel,
then only switch on the main output load breaker of the DG manually by pressing the on button. The user is allowed to connect the load only after the engine has warmed up and entered working condition. This will take within a few seconds to a minute. Once breaker is restored, check the below reading and make sure the DG power is restored. Check and record the load current in each phase. Check all the critical loads have been restored and ensure the UPS input power supply, output power and the healthy condition of UPS. There should not be any power interruption to the server or a data center or a critical load. Go and check physically.
we advise all technical team members are required to be trained and competent in manually operating the diesel generator, DG, set. Under normal conditions, the DG operates automatically through the automatic mains failure, AMF, panel, which starts and stops the generator during utility, EB, power interruptions. However, in the event of a power outage combined with an AMF panel malfunction or technical failure, the generator may not start automatically. In such situations, the ability of technical personnel to manually start and operate the DG set is critical to ensure uninterrupted power supply to essential equipment and critical loads. To maintain operational readiness, regular training sessions, mock drills, and practical demonstrations are conducted to ensure that all technical staff are familiar with manual DG operating procedures and emergency power management protocols. Thank you for watching one of our many educational videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Learn from the experts to become a professional. Please do watch these videos for more practical knowledge. If you are looking for a reliable, highly skilled, professional, and cost-effective facilities management service provider, AMPS should be your first choice. For any business inquiries and for more infos, please contact